Here's how to make a slip knot. Wrap around the thread on your finger like so. Insert the hook in the first strand, grab the other one, pull, and then pull the two loose threads separately. To hold the thread, wrap it around your ring finger once, and then from above the point finger, roll it once or twice if you want it tighter. The way to make a magic ring is almost similar to how you make a slip knot. It's just that, in the end, you're going to make a chain instead of pulling the thread. This time I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet in the magic ring. Insert your hook in the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through the ring, yarn over, and then pull through the two loops. Again, insert the hook in the thread, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over, pull through the two loops. Half double crochet. To do that, yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over again, and then pull through the three loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over, and then pull through the three loops. Here's how to make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over, pull through the two loops, yarn over again, and then pull through the two loops. Again, yarn over, insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over, pull through the two loops, yarn over, pull through the two loops. Here's how to make a triple double crochet. Yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook in the ring, yarn over, pull through the two loops, yarn over, pull through the two loops, yarn over, pull through the two loops. Again. I'll show you how to make a slip stitch. We normally end a project or a round with a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, insert the hook under the two loops in a chain. Grab the yarn and pull through the two loops and the remaining loop on your hook. One more time, let's make a slip stitch. Insert your hook in the stitch or in the chain that's under the 2 loops in the chain. Grab your yarn, pull through all the loops. To make a chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. Again, yarn over, pull through the loop. Now let's make stitches in chains. Normally, we make a stitch in the second chain from the hook. Let's make a single crochet in the second chain. Insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. To make a half double crochet, yarn over first, then insert your hook in the chain. Grab the yarn, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops on the hook. Let's now make a double crochet in the chain. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now let's make a triple double crochet. Yarn over again, insert the hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. In this part, I'm gonna show you how to change the yarn. There are reasons why you change the yarn. First, maybe because you have no enough yarn to continue your stitch. Or second, you simply want to change the color of your yarn. You see here that I'm about to finish a single crochet. Normally, we just yarn over and pull through the chain. But instead of pulling the old yarn, I'm gonna use a new yarn. So it's up to you if you're going to use the same color or a new color. In my case, I'm changing my yarn to brown color. So that's how you change the color of your yarn. Then you can continue making stitches as normal. Now, as you can see here, while I'm making stitches or single crochets, I'm making sure that the loose yarns are inside the stitch I'm making. That is to hide the yarn or the loose yarns, or to make your work secured. There is actually another way to do that. I'll show you later. I'll show you another way to change the yarn. In this one, you're going to make a slip stitch, a chain, and then cut your yarn according to your desired length. Just make sure that there's enough to weave the yarn after you finish your project. Now, using the new yarn, make a slip knot. Insert your hook in that slip stitch you made. Pull the new yarn and insert it through the stitch and through the loop. If you're making a single crochet, make a single crochet in the same stitch, and you can continue doing the stitches. Here, I'm going to show you how to weave the loose threads. If you remember earlier, I showed you how to hide the threads or the loose threads. Here, we're just going to weave the threads, and you normally do that when you finish the project. Before you start weaving, make sure that you're going to be weaving at the inside part of your project, not the outside part. And while weaving, see to it that the needle isn't showing up from the outside part, because this means that the thread isn't gonna be seen outside. This is especially when using different colors of thread. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you learned from this tutorial, and I hope you liked it too. If you want to learn more of how to crochet, especially amigurumi, press the subscribe button, and beside that is a bell button. Press that if you want to receive notifications every time I have a new published video. So I'll see you again next time, and have fun crocheting. Bye!